Hi, I'm Gordon Grant, Global Sales Director at CitNOW. Having worked in the automotive sector for over 40 years, approximately half of those in the retail sector and half in and around automotive OEMs. In those 40 plus years, I've seen many changes in the way that retailers communicate with customers and in the customer expectations around those communication processes. Personalised video has become a very welcome and valued communication medium. And as we see more retailers adopting this, we also see the positive impact those videos have on the customer experience through the dynamic customer insights captured via the CitNOW Rate This Video process. It's one thing to have the capability to send personalised communications to customers, but how do you get the best value from those videos? As part of the How2CitNOW series, I thought I'd share some insights on how to get the best value from your CitNOW videos. Tip number 1, raise the expectation. Inform the customer that you will be sending a video in response to their inquiry in the sales department or when the vehicle is on the ramp in the workshop. Doing so will have a very positive impact on your video view rates. Number 2, react fast and positively when you're notified that a video has been viewed by the recipient. This is the best time to progress an inquiry or answer any questions as the customer is effectively in the zone, having just watched the video. Number 3, send your video by SMS and email. Using both communication channels simultaneously increases video view rates by over 25%. Tip number 4, use the customer's name throughout the video, not just in the introduction. This creates an emotional engagement and underlines the effort that you have gone to just for them. Number 5, signpost the Rate This Video option when signing off at the end of each video. Informing the customer that you value their feedback and inviting them to rate the video and leave a comment will dramatically increase the number of ratings and customer insights that you receive. Number 6, utilise the Rate This Video feedback to identify training needs and process improvement opportunities. Not everyone will provide a high rating and leave a positive comment. These dynamic customer insights provide an excellent opportunity to continually improve things. And number 7, utilise the CitNOW Dashboard. The CitNOW Dashboard provides a wealth of information and enterprise-level analytics that provide detailed insights into video activity and performance to enable you to get the best out of your CitNOW videos. So in summary, tell them you'll be sending them a video, react fast to the view notifications, send the videos by SMS and email, use the customer's name throughout the video, signpost the Rate This Video process at the end, utilise the feedback that you get, and use the CitNOW Dashboard. Thank you for watching this How2CitNOW video. We publish new videos every Tuesday on helpful topics. To get notifications for new videos, please subscribe and click the bell icon.